Hello guys, and welcome to my hotel here for the next 7 nights. It's on Second Road, and it's leading on the road to Pattaya. It's called this name. I cannot pronounce that, but anyways, it's a very nice hotel, and yeah, the price is also nice but not cheap. But it's like a more luxury kind of hotel. So let's take a look around and see what's in this hotel. We take a look at the hotel room, the swimming pool area, and the surroundings. So let's go. So this is actually my new hotel. It has a flat screen. It doesn't. It has a closet, but it doesn't have any shelves. So you can only hang your clothes here, and you have a top closet here. You have a safe here and a small cooler, and you have free coffee and tea here every day if you want, and free water. You have a mirror so you can say hello to yourself. And you have a work desk, a good Wi-Fi. It's a non-smoking room, so I think it's nice. It's okay. There's a balcony, a small balcony out here, and on the balcony you have the view to I will not call it a pool area, because this is not our pool. This is a building next on the other side of the soy or the road here. So this is my view. It's not the best view, and the air condition seems to work very good. It's placed on the 3rd floor, and here we have the bathroom. It have a hair dryer and a nice interior. Hello. And of course toilet. And then we have the bathroom here, actually with a choice of if you want to stand up or sit down when you have a shower or want to take a bath. I'm not sure why they make the bathroom with a glass wall, but I actually saw it in the other room that my friend he rented in Divari in Jomtien. But maybe it's because it's guest friendly, so you can keep an eye on your guests in the room while you're taking a shower or something. I don't know. I don't know the exact story. The hotel is placed actually between Jomtien and Pattaya, and I can say that this road is leading up to Pattaya area. So if you do like this and turn the camera around here, then you have the hotel name to the left, and then the entrance, of course, and then this this road leads up to Pattaya area. So it's actually have a very good place, a very good location. About the traffic nearby this hotel, I can say that yes, there is a lot of traffic, but you cannot hear it in the hotel room at all. So it's not bothering me at all in this hotel. Here you have the entrance to the hotel. If you need, for example, laundry, there's 300 meters to the nearest laundry here next to this hotel. So it's very easy to go there, and you can deliver the laundry, and then you can pick it up the day after. You have a very nice reception area here. And you have a nice staff to take care of everything here. I had to move room because some of the lights in my room was broken, but they changed it immediately. Within 20 minutes I had a new hotel room here. You can have breakfast in this hotel and you can choose not to have a breakfast. It's up to you, but I always choose to have not to have a breakfast unless it's included in the price anyway. But I like to have my breakfast outside. If you want to buy a snack or a coffee or something like that, you can do that in the reception area here. I will not disturb the other guests who have breakfast here, but this is a restaurant in the hotel. And this is so you can walk to your hotel room beside to the reception area that is in here. So you don't need to go through the reception area if you want to go to your room late at night or something like that. But you have nice surroundings here in this hotel, and this path leads you to my room. So, and that is in here. I take the elevator in here. Hello. And on the third floor, we have a pool area. And let's go and take a look at the pool area. I just checked, there is no guest in the pool area, so I will not disturb anyone here. You can sit and relax, you can lay down and relax on some of the chairs. You have a small pool here, but it's an okay size. You can get cooled down if you need that, and you can lay down and relax here in the area at the pool. And then you have the floors up here, the balconies. The hotel goes all the way out to the small soy next to Pattaya Road here. That leads to Pattaya area. So there is plenty of rooms. I actually don't know how many rooms there are in this hotel, but I can tell you I think it's a very nice hotel. I'm happy to stay here anyway. At the top floor you have a conference room if you need to have a conference, and then the top floor is on 7th floor. So you can have everything that you need for a small conference. So you can welcome your guests or your partners in this area. And of course we have the elephants for decoration here. And you have a small balcony that you can enter from the conference room, and it goes down to the pool area here. I can actually try to open this door, and there is more space, but it's no light in here. But you can have a big conference in here. This is a room next to the welcome room in the conference room. So it's perfect for a conference, a big meeting. And here you have the light switches that turns the light on in the bathroom and in the room. It's a little bit advanced, but you can, it touches, So you can choose what light to use here. And yeah, I'm sorry, my room is not made up yet. But then you have next to the bed. Then you have next to the bed, you have also lights here, light switches, and it's like touch switches. You can dim the light, you can choose what kind of light you want, and all that. So it's actually nice, I think. Okay, guys, this was my presentation of Aiyara Hotel in Pattaya, between Pattaya and Jomtien. It's placed actually on a road to Pattaya. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and please remember to give it a like, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, Jan Travel Thailand. I hope you enjoy my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Be safe. Bye bye.